Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video will show you how to change Roblox avatar height. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and tap Avatar. In the avatar editor, scroll down, then select body. Then, if you see scale to open the size option. Then here you'll see a slider of height and width. Drag the height slider up to make your avatar taller or down to make it shorter. The preview updates instantly so you can see the changes. Once you're happy with the size, just leave the editor and Roblox saves your changes automatically. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.